scanned, and I thought the scanning
I
worked
found
so well with
somebody.
me. I was
I
really
say
happy
you
with the
don't
colours that I
cross
could
my
put out the
mind.
negatives, because that was one main struggle that I had, and also that the
She
photos
doesn't know that
dirty in a way.
your
These two
favorite
photos
place
are
is
two
still
that I
mine.
remember vividly as my favourites. I mean, I still
Now I take the
especially
long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. I found somebody. I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. I think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. All my friends don't care about everything. As long as you got a story to bring, we'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. Oh, tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly, I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone and go. Welcome to the show. Come and see the world in a different.
That I shot sometime in May, and I made a video about these actually because there were a lot of photos that I really liked. And so at this point, this phase, I was really quite comfortable with shooting film by now, and scanning was also going quite alright. I still had a few things that I really didn't like with my scanning. Just something that was still bothering me is my success rate, meaning the amount of photos I had to shoot to get photos that I was actually satisfied with. That rate was still really low, so I'd shoot maybe 10 photos and one would be alright, and the others would be or completely throwaways. I don't know. And so from here on, I sort of had the hang of the process itself, but I knew there was still so much to learn because my success rate was so low. Here are two more photos from May, maybe even from the same roll, I'm not entirely sure anymore. The left photo was on the way to shopping. This was sort of the beginning, I guess, of just casually shooting film throughout the mundane activities such as going grocery shopping, etc. So that is what we were doing here. And on the right side, this is a portrait of a friend of mine, and I really liked the light that was coming into her room that day, and I got this portrait, which I still really like. I'm